Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like few of the simple tasks that you should follow in order to build a six-figure affiliate business. So I'm gonna keep this video very simple. So this is gonna help you a lot, like because I have learned this from my mentor. Then once I started following this, I could see results in my business. So be sure to stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. And also, I'm gonna create content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to start with get started with affiliate marketing, be sure to check out the first link in the description. That is programmed by my mentor, that is Work with Sebastian, where you're gonna get both high ticket and recurring commission programs to promote, and also you're gonna get all the resources that you need to be successful online. So coming back to today's topic, I'm gonna talk very simple topics, like few tasks like you should perform daily on a consistent basis that can actually lead you big results in the long run. So number one step is like producing content. So producing content, like people overcomplicate this thing, like because I was one amongst them, because I don't know, like when it comes to producing content, like I always used to make excuses to run away from that day, or like I don't want to take that, like some or the other reason, like I used to skip that part, and I never gain momentum in building creating content. If you are on YouTube, go ahead and create a video, or if you are on a blog, go ahead and start writing articles. If you are on Instagram, create value post. So this is producing content is very important step. Like I'm gonna focus more about videos, because in my opinion, like for me at least, like conveying my message through YouTube is one of the great ways that I have experienced. So I'm gonna talk about, like I would suggest you, like go ahead and create one video per day. So sometimes it can sound easy, like creating one video a day. I can just take 10 minutes of my time, I can just go ahead and shoot a video. But it's not like, if you want to show up every single day, because you're not going to be motivated at the same day all throughout. So it's going to be tough task, but take that challenge and start producing one content a day. Many people will say quantity or quality and all that stuff will come in picture, but it doesn't matter if you are providing enough value in that particular video. Because you want to create one video per day, like doesn't mean that you go ahead and talk shit and give us crap. You don't want to do that. You want to provide massive value upfront for every single video. So it could be a very simple thing, like if you have learned something today, it could be a technical thing, or it could be a simple mindset thing. Whatever it is, you can just come ahead and shoot a video about it, document your journey on that particular day. People will enjoy your journey if you do it, if you do that video in helping that other person who is watching that particular video. So this is step number one, like producing daily content, and that is creating one video per day. And step number two is like if you are on YouTube or Instagram, like you want to make a value post every single day. So what I meant by value post is like you can come up with it could be related to mindset, like a motivational quote, and you can add a picture and you can post it on Facebook or Instagram. So coming up with a value post every single day, what will happen is like I made the video other day where like if you are getting engaged in multiple Facebook groups, like people will come to your profile and they will see like what how is your profile, and once they see like you're providing massive value for free, like they're gonna get connected with you more. And I know, like creating daily videos and like value posts, they may not bring you results instantaneously, but what they are doing is like they are creating an audience for you. Like you're not reaching out to people, audience are gathering around you, you become a magnet like this. And I have already spoken about this concept a lot of times in my videos. So you start building an audience. So today you're promoting one particular product, you still have your audience, and tomorrow you want to promote another product, you still have your audience. And if you come up with your own service, you can just put it in front of them. Maybe you can ask for approval before pitching in front of them, or like that's the biggest advantage you have with your audience. And this is the step like that is going to take some time. You can build an audience with paid ads immediately, but you're not going to gain that trust instantaneously. It's going to come over time. So these are two important steps like you want to do in order to grow your audience. So simple step, like create one video a day, make it in your to-do list or power list, whatever you want to call it. Create one value post, set up some time, do this. And third step is like you want to communicate, like if you already have a list, or if you don't have a list, start building your list. or if you already have a list, start sending emails to them, valuable emails, not just offers. It could be a simple thing like for example, like you can share your simple story, like this is how it was and this is what I did and this is how I got it. Maybe you can pitch your offer in the end, like I joined this program that actually helped me. And you don't have to be a super copywriting expert in order to write emails. It could be a simple email, like just start telling, like do it in the storytelling way and give enough breaks in your pages, like that can actually help people to read. Don't write everything at one place, that people may get lost. So this is a simple task. One is create video, value post, one email to your list, or if you don't have a list, start building your list today. Fourth step is like start also working on your before this I'm gonna talk one more point, like you want to communicate with people. It could be a manual task, like you want to join Facebook group in your niche, and if anybody is asked a question, like you want to ask a question, start engaging with people. That will actually help you showcase your profile more, and that will actually help you build your brand in a much faster way. For example, if someone asked a question, because every day there are people who are going to ask questions and they may need help with something, and if you know that answer, provide massive value upfront in the comment section. It could be a simple thing, or it could be a complex thing. Just provide massive value. Once that person sees that, like he becomes aware about you, like Sachin has provided so much value for free, and maybe he can send a friend request, or you can send a friend request, or you can engage in the comment section itself. And once you connect with that person, you can send him a personal message, and then you can start a conversation. Hey, I have replied to your comment, so I hope you got value. If you need any help, like you can see like where that person stands, and if he needs help with anything, you provide your massive value. So this is another step that you want to take a daily action. And then next one is like start working on your automated process. So what I meant by automated process is like creating a video, value post, and messaging people, commenting on people, and sending emails. Everything is like writing that email, like everything is a manual task. Like initially you need to do this, because once you do this, this is going to convert much better even before the paid ads, because with paid ads, like you don't have the audience in the beginning. So once you gain that audience with these free strategies, you can definitely boost that audience with the paid ads. But you also want to create an automated process. So right now, whatever steps I spoken, like these are all our manual tasks, and you are yourself acting as a sales funnel here. Like you're reaching out to people, you're providing value for free, and then if they get connected with you, like they become next stage of your funnel, then you connect with them, you may jump on a call, and then you can pitch your offer. If they like it, they will buy. If they don't, they will go away. So this is all manual tasks that you're doing, but in the long run, like you don't want to give your whole life to that, because you don't want to keep doing the manual work in the lifelong. So you want to create that automated process. It could be a simple sales funnel where you're providing a free training, and in the free training you are pre-educating about them, your product, and in the once they buy that product, again you have upsells in the back end. So this is the automated process, and you are learning ads like to drive traffic to your sales funnel. So you want to create this as well, because once you have enough audience with the first steps, then definitely you can automate your process in the long run. Like this is required, and you don't want to wait till 4 to 5 years until I build my automated process. Start with something very simple, a simple sales process and email automation. So that is simple step that you want to create. Start working on that. And next step is like I'm coming to the last point. Like if you already have worked on these steps, or if you already have a business, like start testing ads. Like if you haven't started ads, like maybe take up a small budget and start running a dry run, that you get a feel like how it is to run Facebook ads or these ads. And next is like if you're already running ads, just test it by scaling it up. So these are simple steps. Like if you make a list of these things and start taking, I know it sounds very much, but if you write it down and get up in the mornings, set up a schedule and start doing it, maybe one day you will feel very resistant about it, doing it. Second day also you may feel, but on the third day it becomes a habit, like as the days goes along, and you don't want to stop it. Trust me guys, if you follow these simple steps on a daily basis, at least for a year or maybe 6 months, depending on your budget or your commitment or your effort, you're gonna see massive results in your affiliate marketing business. I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you need any help with your online business, be sure to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to connect with me, like if you want to talk to me, I'll leave my email address in the description. You can just shoot me an email like with whatever help you need. I'm more than happy to help you guys. I hope you got value from this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Peace.